paying attention to something for the past few months that's been happening consecutively every day, and I'm going to bring it up today. It happens during the last minute of trading, and it happens on the three major indexes, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ. So I want you to take a look at these three pictures with me real quick and just tell me what you think. So first, this is going to be the S&P 500. So on the last minute of trading, you can see highlighted right here, this is the last candle of the trading day. Now, comparatively speaking to the rest of the candles, everything else is basically flat. Well, if you take a look at the volume that we saw today for the S&P 500, the last minute of trading during regular trading hours, we saw $398.58 million as for the volume. Now, if we divide this by the daily volume of 2.05 billion, that means 20% of the day's volume happened in the last minute. Now looking on to the Dow Jones. Same thing applies. Last minute candle towers over the rest in the relevant time frame. So 63.52 million in the last minute on the Dow Jones divided by 348.10 for the day's total volume equals 18% of the day's volume in the last minute. Lastly, but of course not leastly, if that's a word, we have the NASDAQ. Now, the NASDAQ saw 210.25 million in the last minute out of 906.562 million, which is 23% of the daily volume in the last minute from the NASDAQ. So, you might want to ask yourself, indexes, what doing?